Could you describe the system and sort of like how that relates to shifting the internal psychology and then unlocking the creative side?
Building a second brain is it's a philosophy, it's a methodology. It's basically a set of principles. It's really a set of principles that are completely platform agnostic. I've had people use over 30 different note-taking apps, which is where you implement these principles. Over 30 different pieces of software to implement what I teach, which is the proof that it works in a whole variety of places. It just gives people a set of principles that honestly are timeless, that you can find throughout history. You can find in almost every field. But that as knowledge, it's funny, like as knowledge workers, we're not taught principles. You go and you learn, you're an accountant, so you learn some accounting, or you're a business analyst, you learn some, business. But like no one is like, no, you are actually part of a discipline. You are like a crafts person called a knowledge worker. There are a set of timeless practice, like just doesn't exist. And so I'm trying to add that in.